Good morning, my dear students and lovers of biology. This is Mr. Vikas Kumar Jha. I am interacting with you on a very relevant topic, that is endoplasmic reticulum. Under the chapter Fundamental Units of Life. So this is your information that this is my 12th session in the series of virtual class of class 9. Today topic is endoplasmic reticulum. In vernacular language, you know that is ER. In vernacular language, that is known as ER. So many questions arise under a topic endoplasmic reticulum. How endoplasmic reticulum form? What is the function of endoplasmic reticulum? What is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum? What is the importance of endoplasmic reticulum under a cell? So many top questions you have, and one by one you clear each and every question. First of all, you write a large network of tubules, a large network of membrane bonded tubules and sheets. A large network of membrane bonded tubules and sheets. Its structure is similar to plasma membrane. First of all, some comments upon endoplasmic reticulum. A large network of membrane bonded tubules and sheets. My dear, this is your NCERT line. Endoplasmic reticulum is just like a network, and in another important topic notes, I discuss how endoplasmic reticulum form network where, but here you understand this is a large network, and each network become tubes and sheets, and each sheets become connected with each other. Second, its structure is similar to plasma membrane, just like plasma membrane. Under a cytoplasm attached with nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum is just like plasma. You write. Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. First, rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. Second, a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER. Here you say that endoplasmic reticulum become two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum, that's, and you also says that RER. Another is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So you also know that that is called SER. You write. First topic is rough endoplasmic reticulum. In vernacular language, RER. A contained ribosome attached with its surface. First point, a contained ribosome attached with its surface. Transmit various parts, helping protein manufacturing. That's some points upon rough endoplasmic reticulum. First of all, endoplasmic reticulum becomes two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER, and another is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that is SER. So on what basis you classify that, sir, this is rough endoplasmic reticulum and this is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum? On the basis of ribosome. Ribosome attached with surface, just like a stone. Just like in a smooth surface, a stone become attached at a place. So ribosome just like attached with surface, and on that basis of ribosome we can say that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Transmit various parts, or you know that function of ribosome, that is protein manufacture. So here also protein manufacture become occur. You ready? I am interacting with you on a smooth endoplasmic reticulum and a structure of plant cell, topographical sketch of plant cell and nucleus. Thanks. I meet you in next session.